So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download driver of Gigabyte motherboard. So first guys, you have to come this website gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download a driver. Gigabyte any devices drivers you have to download, so you can come on this, and this is search key. So just you have to click on that and enter your model number, which is your required motherboard driver, and then just hit the enter. Then click on product and click on title of the B60 Eagle X. Then click on support. So guys, first you have to select your operating system which is using. If you have a using Windows 10, Windows 11, so I am making Windows 11 video. So if you are using Windows 10, so no worry, you can watch this video and then install this installation process same. Okay, only driver is different, so you can just select the driver and download it. Audio driver, download. You can see it is downloading here. So it is downloaded 165 MB. Just open, and this is extracted driver, so you have to double click on this because this is extracted. So and required administrator rights for the installations. Now you can see this is ask yes or no, like that. Click on yes. Now you can see this is installing the audio driver in the system. Then it is close, means this is installed. Chipset, AMD chipset driver, click to download. Click on download tab. So it is done. So single click to open. And double click to launch this setup for the installations. This is extracted driver, so you have to double click. Click on yes for required for the administrator rights. Then it is installed, and then close it. LAN driver. So click to LAN driver, download. Then open and double click to exe. Then click to yes. So it will close automatically, means this is installed. Bluetooth driver. So Intel Bluetooth driver, click to download. This downloading start. So it is done, and open. Then open. Then open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. I can see this is install the Bluetooth driver. So the blue LAN means Wi-Fi driver. Intel Wi-Fi driver. Click to download. And open file. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. And this is installed.